Hey folks, you ever walked into a factory or a shop and thought, man, this place is a mess? Stuff piled everywhere, people running around like chickens with their heads cut off? Well, lean manufacturing is all about bringing order to the chaos. It's about working smarter, not harder, and squeezing every ounce of value out of every process. Now, I'm not talking about cutting corners or sacrificing quality. Lean manufacturing is about respect. Respect for your employees, respect for your resources, and most importantly, respect for your customers' hard-earned money. It's about building a system that's efficient, effective, and built to last. Over the next few minutes, we're going to roll up our sleeves and get our hands dirty with the core principles of lean manufacturing. We'll explore how this philosophy can transform your business, from the shop floor to the bottom line. So, strap in, grab your tool belt, and let's get to work. Now, when I say waste, I'm not just talking about scrap metal or leftover paint. Lean manufacturing identifies 7 deadly sins of waste: overproduction, inventory, motion, defects, waiting, transportation, and overprocessing. Think of it like this: every minute you spend moving something that ain't ready to be moved, every part you make that nobody's ordered yet, that's money and time flushed right down the drain. And let me tell you, nobody likes to see their hard work go to waste. I've worked alongside folks in all kinds of industries, from breweries to bakeries, and let me tell you, the last thing anyone wants is to see perfectly good product get tossed out. It's disheartening, it's wasteful, and frankly, it's just bad business. Lean manufacturing gives you the tools to identify and eliminate these hidden drains on your resources. It's about streamlining your processes, getting rid of the unnecessary steps, and focusing on what really matters: delivering value to your customer. Let's talk about everyone's favorite subject: money. Specifically, saving money. Now, we all know that time is money, and wasted time is wasted money. That's where lean manufacturing comes in, like a trusty wrench tightening up a loose bolt. By reducing waste and optimizing resource use, lean manufacturing can help you lower production costs and boost those profit margins. Think about it. Less inventory gathering dust means less money tied up in storage. Fewer defects mean less rework, and fewer unhappy customers demanding refunds. And it's not just about saving money on materials and labor. Lean manufacturing can also help you reduce your environmental impact, which is good for the planet and good for your bottom line. Less waste means a smaller environmental footprint, and that's something we can all get behind. You ever watch a NASCAR pit crew in action? It's a thing of beauty, folks. Every movement is precise, every second counts, and they work together like a well-oiled machine. That's the kind of efficiency we're aiming for with lean manufacturing. See, lean practices are all about streamlining your workflows, getting rid of bottlenecks, and keeping things moving smoothly. It's like unclogging a drain. Suddenly, everything flows the way it should. This means faster production times, quicker turnaround for your customers, and a more agile operation overall. And when your operation is running like a well-tuned engine, you're better equipped to handle unexpected challenges, changes in demand, and all the curveballs that the business world likes to throw your way. Now let's talk about quality. In the world of lean manufacturing, quality ain't an afterthought. It's baked right into the process. We're talking about techniques like total quality management, TQM, and Kaizen, which are all about continuous improvement and making sure every product that leaves your shop is top-notch. It's about empowering your employees to identify problems, come up with solutions, and take pride in their work. Because when your team is invested in quality, it shows in the final product. And let me tell you, there's nothing more satisfying than seeing a customer's face light up when they get their hands on a product that's been built with care and attention to detail. That's what lean manufacturing is all about. Imagine walking into a restaurant, and instead of a menu, they just start bringing you plates of food. You might get some dishes you like, but chances are you're gonna end up with a whole lot of wasted grub. That's what it's like to have too much inventory. You're paying for stuff you don't need, taking up valuable space, and risking spoilage or obsolescence. Lean manufacturing says no thanks to the all-you-can-eat buffet of inventory. Instead, we're talking about just-in-time, JIT, inventory management, which is all about getting the right materials and products in the right quantities at the right time. It's like having a well-stocked pantry. You know what you need, you know where to find it, and you're not wasting money on ingredients you'll never use. JIT helps you reduce those carrying costs, free up some much-needed space, and keep your cash flow moving in the right direction. In the immortal words of Mike Tyson, everyone has a plan until they get punched in the mouth. The same goes for business. Markets change, customer demands shift, and unexpected challenges pop up like weeds. Lean manufacturing helps you build a business that's as flexible as a gymnast. It's about being able to adapt to changes quickly and efficiently, without skipping a beat. When your processes are lean and mean, you can pivot on a dime, adjust to new demands, and stay ahead of the competition. Think of it like this. The more agile you are, the better you can roll with the punches and come out swinging. And in today's fast-paced business environment, adaptability is the name of the game. Now, let's talk about the heart and soul of any successful operation, the people. Lean manufacturing ain't about treating your employees like cogs in a machine. It's about empowering them to be problem solvers, innovators, and active participants in the continuous improvement process. When you involve your team in identifying areas for improvement, coming up with solutions, and implementing changes, you create a culture of ownership and accountability. People take pride in their work when they have a say in how it's done. And let me tell you, there's no better feeling than working alongside a team that's firing on all cylinders, where everyone's pulling in the same direction and everyone's committed to excellence. That's the power of lean manufacturing. At the end of the day, it's all about the customer. They're the reason we get up in the morning, the ones who keep the lights on, and the ones we should always be striving to please. Lean manufacturing puts the customer front and center by focusing on delivering value. It's about understanding what the customer wants, what they're willing to pay for, and how we can exceed their expectations. By eliminating waste, improving quality, and streamlining our processes, we can offer better products, faster delivery times, and more competitive prices. And when you consistently deliver value to your customers, they become loyal advocates for your brand. They tell their friends, they leave glowing reviews, and they keep coming back for more. Life is unpredictable, ain't it? Just when you think you've got everything figured out, something comes along and throws a wrench in the works. The same goes for business. Unexpected delays, material shortages, equipment failures, these things happen. But with lean manufacturing, you can minimize the impact of these inevitable hiccups. By reducing waste, optimizing inventory, and building a more flexible operation, you're better equipped to handle disruptions and keep things running smoothly. It's like having a backup generator. When the power goes out, you're not left in the dark. Lean manufacturing helps you build a more resilient operation that can weather the storms and come out stronger on the other side. We all share this planet, folks, and it's our responsibility to take care of it. Now, I'm not going to launch into a big environmental lecture, but I will say this. Lean manufacturing can play a big role in reducing our impact on the environment. By minimizing waste, we're conserving resources, reducing our carbon footprint, and creating a more sustainable future. We're talking about using less energy, generating less waste, and making more efficient use of the materials we do consume. And let's be honest, doing what's good for the planet is not just good for business, it's just plain good. It's about leaving the world a little better than we found it, and that's something we can all be proud of. So there you have it, folks. Lean manufacturing ain't just a buzzword. It's a philosophy, a way of life, and a commitment to excellence. It's about working smarter, not harder, and squeezing every ounce of value out of every process. It's about respecting your employees, your resources, and your customers by building a system that's efficient, effective, and built to last. And in today's competitive global market, it's no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. So if you're ready to ditch the waste, embrace efficiency, and take your business to the next level, then lean manufacturing is the way to go. Get out there, get your hands dirty, and start building a leaner, meaner, and more successful business today.